Today we're taking a look at a budget-friendly wireless ANC earbuds from a company that specializes in making audiophile IEMs to see if it's any good. So let's check it out. So let's start with the things that I like about this earbud. So the sound quality is definitely one aspect that I really like. Despite its budget-friendly nature, the earbud comes with a pretty good sound signature that tries to represent KZ's usual IEM sound signature, and it's one of the good aspects of these earbuds, and we'll take a look at the sound quality in more detail in another section. So secondly, it's the design language that KZ is going for with the Carol, and there are a few transparent earbuds out in the market, made famous by Soundpeat's Engine series in the past, as well as Nothing earbuds, but KZ just got it right. It looks gorgeous in my opinion. If you look at the entire design, the entire earbuds, 100% of it is transparent except for the ear tips itself. So it's also nice that KZ throws in IPX5 water resistant rating on these earbuds, so you get pretty good protection from sweat, water splashes, and even slight rain when you're out and running with your new earbuds. So volume on these earbuds is also something that I really like, and you also get multi-point support on these earbuds, which is great for an earbuds at this price point. But that's where the pros actually stop. What I wish these earbuds could be better is the case materials used. The plastic build here around the case is pretty decent. However, that transparent plastic at the front here that came with my earbuds has a big scratch out of the box. I'm not too sure if you can see it from the light here, but there's a big major scratch at the front here, which is quite a bummer. And this is not so cool because it's the main piece that you're looking into your earbuds, and it's so bad initially I thought it was a cracked plastic. So secondly is the Bluetooth technology in late 2024, and I wish these earbuds would come with at least a Bluetooth 5.4. It only comes with Bluetooth 5.3 with support for AAC and SBC. So if they have LDAC, that would be also really good. Unfortunately, because of the battery level you get with these earbuds, having LDAC might not be the best idea, since without ANC you're getting 6 hours with the earbuds and 36 hours with the case, which is pretty common. But with ANC on, you're only getting around 4 hours for the earbuds and 25 hours with the case, and this also depends on the volume that you listen at. So another area I think could be better would be the way you control the earbuds and to toggle between different ANC modes. So you press and hold on the left earbuds. However, if you hold it for 1 second extra long, you actually turn off the earbuds, which is really odd because it's been a while since companies include power on or off controls on their earbuds itself. So this actually happened to me many times. So I tried to toggle the ANC and I accidentally turned off the earbuds, and it turns off both sides. So I need to press to turn on both of the earbuds again, which is not very convenient. So finally, there is also no app support. So there's no way to control your earbuds as well as to get firmware updates if there are new ones. But with that said, this earbud comes in at a very budget-friendly price point, coming in at 36 US dollar or about 140 Malaysia ringgit. So you're really not paying too much for budget-friendly earbuds. So if you find value in what you hear and like what you see so far, do subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell so that YouTube algorithm can pick this up. And if you'd like to buy these earbuds, do check out my links below. So sound signature on these earbuds is decently good, especially at this price point. I think you can't really complain about them. It provides you with a very dynamic sound signature overall, so let's analyze them step by step. So from a sub-bass perspective, these earbuds does generate them to some extent, but they are definitely not the deepest in my opinion. So it gives you a good enough experience to hear the sub-bass, but you will itch for it to get a little deeper, and you do need to listen to it past its medium volume level to get any good amount of sub-bass out. So mid-bass does get reproduced decently, and you won't be disappointed with the bass response here, but just nothing that will blow your mind away. So mid vocals here is the shining frequency in my opinion, meaning you'll be getting quite a flat plain vocal reproduction, a very good middle point where it doesn't sound muffled but not overly metallic, a good middle ground. So highs is okay sparkly but could definitely be brighter in my opinion. The good news here is that the highs is that it doesn't sound distorted or overly metallic, and it gets ear piercing, so that's a good thing. So overall it passes with decent results in terms of sound signature, but not the highest quality sound signature in its class. So this is a test to see if the KZ Carol is a good earbud for making phone calls. So this is me speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear a difference. So now there's a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from these earbuds. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below. So let's talk about the design of these earbuds, and the overall concept of these earbuds is fantastic, and I really love how it looks in general. However, you're getting a pretty basic material here with the case. So starting with that, the plastic used for the case here is pretty decent, and it holds up to most of your daily beating, but definitely will get scratches here and there. However, the plastic lid at the top here is a no-go for me. When I unboxed it, it has all the plastic protection on it, but it already came with a big scratch right over here, right smack in the middle here, which makes it quite difficult to ignore. So apart from that, it's a pretty stealthy case with a Type-C port at the back of the case for you to charge up the case, and the lid opens up unsatisfyingly and felt a little flimsy with the lid flapping around lifelessly. You can actually push it tight and it will stay open for you to access your earbuds. If anything, I wish the case would be a little bit more robust and stronger. So the good news is the inside of the case, and I think this is where the earbuds take a turn for the better, because the design of these earbuds is just gorgeous inside. So firstly, the earbud sits on a smoke black transparent inner base where you can actually see the chipsets and the components in the case itself. So along with the KZ logo inside that will light up when you open up the lid, which is extremely gorgeous. Not only that, the earbuds comes with a fully transparent earbuds. So this entire thing here that you see is actually transparent, so you can see the chipset and everything inside, and there is also a gorgeous KZ LED inside that lights up when you take out the earbuds, which also looks absolutely beautiful. So the earbuds here is your traditional AirPods Pro style ear tips. So if those earbud style fits you well, then this won't be any different. So everything here with the earbuds design is on point, and I really wish more earbuds would be designed like that. So finally, there isn't any in-ear sensor found here, so no automatic play or pause with these earbuds. So volume on these earbuds is really good and great for those who love their music loud, and I get a comfortable listening volume at only 15% volume, and I get to a loud volume at around 70%. Anything above that is too loud for me, and I think this would be great if you like your music loud. So ANC on the Carol is really good, building up on the performance of the KZ Extra that was really good ANC earbuds on its own, and I feel the Carol is good but a tiny step behind the Extra. So with the low humming noise such as road noise test, airplane cabin noise test, the earbuds works great and provides a decent amount of reduction in environmental noise. With soft music playing, it does improve ANC a little bit more, but it's not the complete serene experience you get with some other earbuds. Cafe noise also gets very similar performance, and it does lower the volume quite decently, but in a very noisy environment, and if you have someone speaking to you directly or in front of you, it's not going to fully cancel out those noises. Transparency mode here also works really well in opening up the environment. It doesn't have any amplification, but mainly just feels like you're not wearing any earbuds. Wind noise in most situations is controlled really well, and only in really windy situations like sitting next to a fan that you will start feeling and hearing wind buffering. And with that, I'm giving the KZ Carol a good ANC score of 8.9 out of 10. So there is also a mode called High Performance Mode, which essentially is the low latency gaming mode on these earbuds. Just tap 3 times on the left earbuds and you get into that mode. Latency here is decent with that mode turned on, and you're still gonna get some latency in my opinion. It doesn't feel like the 55 milliseconds that they advertise. However, gaming with PUBG still feels good, and watching movies and videos is good with no noticeable delays. Anyways, let's take a look at the latency performance of these earbuds. So overall, I'm happy with the performance of the KZ Carol and will definitely recommend it for its audio performance and ANC. However, it is the case material that is dragging the whole experience down. So I do hope that is something that KZ can consider fixing in the future for their next batch of Carol. If you want to take a look at another great earbuds from KZ, the KZ Extra right over here is definitely worth checking out, and I'll see you over at that video.